Dear students, today we will discuss what is the role of creativity in entrepreneurship. Creativity plays a very important role in entrepreneurship. First one should know what is creativity. See, creativity is basically in an act, an idea, or in a product that change an existing domain or that transform an existing domain into a one new and creative person. Or you can say a creative person is whose thought or actions bring these changes. See, creativity is basically an act, thinking something innovative, expressing the ideas which does not get introduced by any other one, and it change brings change in the existing domain. So Wall's description of creative thinking suggests a model in the four stages. First is preparation, second is incubation, third is illumination, and fourth is verification. See, preparation recalls like one should analyze first, define the problem. As we all know we this is the first step which we use in and this problem research designing. So problem defining the problem is the first step for creating anything. Then second is resting phase, or you can say subconscious mind. Now the idea which get generated through the creativity need to be incubated. So incubated is the resting phase, analyzing the something, and it should be in the subconscious mind. Now illumination. Now idea of a solution comes to the mind. Now here the actual idea generated, and then verification. Verification means testing the idea with various solutions and things. So entrepreneurship is a way of thinking, reasoning, and acting that is opportunity, obvious, holistic in approach, and leadership balance. So how creativity helps in entrepreneurship development, because none of the person get entrepreneur without something creative, without something innovative in the mind. Now create how entrepreneurship and creativity are interrelated. See, creativity in figuring out a way to work in a joint venture. Next is creativity comes in writing an amazing sales letter or visualizing the perfect logo. Then creativity or creative destruction, procedure and destroys or reallocate assumes resources. Then participating innovation they need to be aware of change, and creativity use it to their advantages. Then creativity in identifying gap in the market and think of a product. So in every domain of entrepreneurship or starting a new venture, creativity is involved. Now we'll discuss what is the process or stages of creativity or the opportunity analysis. Now because in creativity, analyzing the opportunity is also one of the factors. So seizing the opportunity, first you need to seize the opportunity, you need to identify the opportunity. Then second stage is investigate the need through market research. First is seizing the opportunity, then investigating the need through research, then develop the plan. Then fourth one is determining the resource need, and fifth one is manage the distinguished feature of a business. So these are the various phases how the opportunities get analyzed by the entrepreneur in the starting of a new venture.